Everybody can become successful. The challenge or the problem is the how. I am here today to take you through the hows for you to have a successful 2024. I want us to go through 10 key items that are relevant for you to have a successful 2024. Number one, reflect on 2023. Review your achievements, review your failures, review the lessons, and review the growth from the past year. They have been things you did throughout the year from January to December and the final day of December 2023. You have done things. Some of them were successful, others you learned lessons from them. Review, get to understand how you were able to achieve some things, how you were not able to achieve some things, and be able to help you set clear goals. That's the point number 2. Set clear goals. Define specific, measurable goals for 2024 and be ambitious, yet realistic. You can dream, you can have the powerful ambition to become the great person you want to become, but you need to be real with yourself, whether you are able to achieve the things that you are going to set for yourself. It has to be realistic, it has to be measurable. When you get all of these things, it's able to help you. So for example, you want to be able to read a book from beginning of the month of January to probably the end of the month of January. So you can set yourself and tell yourself that every week you want to try and read maybe 5 pages of a particular book. These are clear things. You are able to measure yourself whether you have been able to achieve that or not. Clear goals, and then you can do things. Point number 3, skill enhancement. You need to identify skills for your advancement. Plan courses, workshops, or self-learning. You need to be able to stand apart, and standing apart lies on the knowledge and the understanding of things that you have. If you don't understand or you don't have knowledge of certain things, it becomes difficult for you to be able to achieve the things you desire. So take the steps to enhance your skills. It would really help you to be able to get and become a bigger person that you want to become in 2024. And have a financial planning. That's the point number 4, financial planning. Every human being, whichever way, exchange goods or you buy things. And so if you are buying things, it has to do with money. It has to do with you exchanging something for something. And so in this case, if you're not able to have a good financial planning by being able to review your finances, what did you spend on from January to December 2023? And what didn't you spend on? What was the key thing that your money went into? What really took a lot of your time and money? If you review your finances and look at the things, then you set a budget for yourself. You have a savings plan and then an investment goal. You should be able to, at every point, end of a period, it could be weekly, it could be bi-weekly, it could be every month, that you have a budget for yourself. You set financial plans and goals. You should be able to have an investment goal, and you should be able to have a saving plan for 2024. And then the 5th point is to have health commitments. You need to be committed to your well-being. You can make all that you have to, you can make all the monies, but if you're not committed to your well-being, it becomes a problem for you to even be able to rise and go work for money, or to even be happy that your money is working for you. And so you should be committed to your health. In other words, you have to prioritize your well-being, plan a fitness routine, and a healthy lifestyle choices. What did you eat in 2023 that didn't work for you? To be able to know what works for you and what doesn't work for you. There are some food that maybe if you take into your system, you don't feel comfortable. You should be able to know these and avoid them in 2024. You would be fine. Fitness, exercise, get your body active all the time, and you would be fine. Point number 6, networking strategy. Expand your professional connections. Expand your LinkedIn space. Connect to a lot of relevant people that say things or do things that relates to your network. Connect with people around you connect with professionals who are able to support you to grow and who are able to recommend you to other things as well. You don't have to only be the one that people are parasiting, that you also will not enjoy from them. Have a networking strategy and then join events online and other physical places that you can have the time to join. If you join that, it helps you to be able to stay on and have a good and wealthy network. The popular saying, your net worth depends on your network. Point number 7, tech update. The world is now governed sort of by technology. Everything is changing so fast that if you do not look at how you work around things and you do not have technology mindset, you are going to be lacking behind. So you need to stay tech savvy, and you need to be able to update your skills and explore new tools relevant to your industry. There are a lot of AI tools now that you can use for every kind of thing you want to use for. I don't know where you're working, I don't know your industry, be it food industry, be it the health industry, oil and gas industry, transportation and logistics, energy sector, all of these build technologies, all of these aspects, the general engineering. If you look at all these things, manufacturing, processing, there are a lot of AI tools that can help you to be able to work around creative arts in those industries, the fashion and designs. So you are able to get tools that would make your work easier for you to really go to the top level in 2024. Point number 8, time management. I'm not too sure if we're able to manage time, but I'm very sure we are able to manage our activities. God manages time. You need to be able to optimize the time, prioritize your activities. Do you appear or find yourself in every program organized? Whether it's relevant for you or not, you find yourself there. If you keep chasing time, it becomes difficult for you to be able to look for the key things that you have to work on and achieve. And so you need to be able to manage your activities. If you manage your activities, at the end of the day, you will be able to manage your time, because, well, the time is constant for everybody. If you have 24 hours a day, I don't know how many hours you use for productive hours and how many hours you use for other activities that may be relevant or not. Point number 9, your travel goals. Prioritize and set targets to be able to visit places that would connect you with nature, explore new places, or visit your favorite places. What's in your bucket list for 2024? If you have travel experience, even the short distances, you would be able to connect with nature and revive your spirit and get lots of energy for other things that you want to achieve. And the final point we're looking at is embrace change. Welcome the change. The point is that 2024 is coming to just be a fresh start of a new calendar. Nothing really has changed unless you yourself change. If you prepare and tell your mind that I am changing for better, that I am changing for a greater 2024, that I am changing my habits, that I am changing the things that I used to do in 2023 that were not helpful for me, that you are changing the way you do things, that you are having a new mindset of things, how you see things, it would really help you to make 2024 a good year. It will look no different. It will just be a change in timing and seasons and calendar. But if you do not change the things you do, definitely you are going back to the same things that you started with from January to December of 2023. What stands out is the discipline that you attach to the things that I have listed. If you do not have discipline, you won't be able to do any of these. If you are disciplined enough and you are determined to achieve the things that you are setting for yourself, you persevere, you will be able to achieve. But it all has to begin from the mind. Build a positive mindset for 2024. If this content has been very helpful to you, kindly drop me a comment, tell me your review, and do remember to subscribe to this channel and stay connected. I wish you a fruitful 2024. Success awaits you.